The healthcare industry is evolving faster than ever. Patients today don't just want treatment, they want trust, connection, and easy access to information. Done right, good marketing can boost your visibility, attract more patients, and keep your practice top of mind. But here's the real question. How do you build a healthcare marketing strategy that actually works in such a competitive space? I'm Ivan with Visme, and in today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step strategy from defining your target audience to measuring results. And along the way, I'll show you how tools like Visme can help you create content and reports that make your executing your strategy effortless. And stick around for the end of the video where I'll share my favorite pre-made templates that you can download and edit right now to get started. So to start off, your first step is going to be to define your target audience. Your patients are at the center of everything, but before you create content or launch campaigns, you need to know exactly who you're speaking to. What's their age, gender, and location? What health concerns do they have right now? Where do they go for information? Google, social media, or referrals? Once you know these things, you'll be able to choose the right channels and craft messaging that resonates with the audience. Here's a pro tip. Create patient personas. For example, working patients in their 30s looking for pediatric care. Personas help you humanize your audience. You can find customer persona templates like these at visme.com. These ready-made persona templates help you visualize your patient profiles. Adding photos, pain points, and motivations makes it easy to keep patients top of mind in every campaign that you go through. The second step is going to be to set realistic marketing goals. Are you trying to increase new patient appointments, boost reviews, grow brand awareness? Use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, increase website appointment bookings by 20% in 6 months. Gain 100 new Google reviews this year. You can map these out with project timelines, KPI dashboards, and team goal charts. Not only does this keep your marketing team organized, but it also makes progress crystal clear. Step 3 is going to create valuable marketing content. Content is the heartbeat of healthcare marketing. Patients want answers and reassurance before they walk through your doors. So here's a few ideas. Educational blog posts like 5 signs it's time to see a cardiologist. Short patient testimonial videos, infographics that explain treatment procedures, or even downloadable guidelines like the Complete Guide to Dental Care for Kids. So why does this work? Content builds trust, positions your practice as an authority, and it helps patients feel understood. You can easily design professional infographics, patient handouts, and even social graphics that explain information easily and clearly using templates inside of Visme's design library. Imagine turning medical jargon into engaging visuals patients can actually understand. Simple is effective. Then you're going to want to choose the right marketing channels. Now that you have your content, where should it live? So I'm going to break it down for you. Social media is great for patient education, testimonials, and community engagement. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are especially strong for local practices. Now, if you're going with review sites, Yelp, Psychology Today, Health Grades, and Google Reviews are also paramount to local word-of-mouth referrals. That's how I found my last doctor, was Google Reviews on that doctor. Then you also have paid ads. Think Google ads or Facebook ads for instant visibility, perfect for targeting people searching dentist near me or urgent care nearby. And no, SEO is not dead. So SEO provides long-term growth. Optimize your website so that it ranks when patients search for treatments, providers, or local services. And then finally, you have email marketing. Send appointment reminders, seasonal health tips, or newsletters to keep patients engaged. A lot of this can be automated and is very easy to do. And a quick bonus is use branded social media graphics and website graphic templates like these ones that look consistent and professional across all platforms. Consistency builds trust, and in healthcare, that's everything. As you're optimizing for SEO, you want to keep in mind that search engine optimization is one of the most powerful tools in healthcare marketing. Think about it. Patients are Googling providers constantly. And so here's how you can stand out. Publish relevant, keyword-rich content. Keep your site fast and mobile-friendly. Mobile first helps your patients find you easy and fast. You also want to optimize your Google business profile and online listings like Health Grades or Vitals. Get pictures, make sure your Google listing looks nice and pretty. In addition to that, collect reviews because Google loves fresh, positive signals. And after you establish your optimization strategy, you want to measure your marketing efforts. If you can't measure it, you can't really improve it. Tracking performance tells you what's working and what's wasting money, so you can make better business decisions. Use Google Analytics as an example, and honestly, I recommend it to track website traffic and conversion rates. CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce help monitor patient interactions. And make sure to use heat map tools to show where users click on your site. Now, if your superiors or practice managers aren't data specialists, here's a tip for making your reports super impactful without being overwhelming. You can pull your data and turn it into beautiful dashboards and reports that look polished, just like this. Easy to read, easy to convey, easy to understand. Instead of raw numbers, you'll have clear visual stories that you can share with stakeholders or your internal team to make better marketing decisions. Now that you have everything for your strategy, you can build a healthcare marketing plan. Your strategy tells you the what and the why, the plan tells you the how. A strong plan is going to tell you which channels you're going to use, who's responsible for each task, a timeline for execution, the budget, and how you'll measure results. You can map this out visually using Gantt charts, project timelines, or marketing calendar templates. This helps you stay consistent and aligned with your overarching goals. So now here are 5 templates that you can use and that you can edit today. All you got to do is head to visme.com/blog/healthcare marketing. The first template is going to be your healthcare marketing plan. This template is going to keep your marketing strategy organized and able to be executed effectively. This is the perfect fit. This healthcare marketing plan example visualizes your marketing activities across multiple channels, execution timelines, and anticipated outcomes. So this one is a healthcare marketing report. This template is designed to help you track marketing performance and covers key aspects like strategy, metrics, and future considerations. This is going to be where you communicate key marketing data points like web analytics, campaigns, social media engagement using Visme's visualization tools like bar graphs, pie charts, interactive maps, and timelines. This third template is our medical white paper. This white paper is designed to showcase your expertise and enhance your reputation. You can use it to educate your audience and promote your practice. The template is fully customizable, so you can modify the content, the fonts, logos, and colors, and other visual elements to really make it your own and fit in with your brand. This fourth template is a wellness webinar presentation. Webinars are a proven marketing tool for communication with your audience, both on demand and real time. Trust me, I know. I just watched a webinar complete presentation on different types of knee surgeries. However, you need to craft a visually appealing presentation that engages your audience from start to finish, so they're not, skipping through the most important parts of the presentation. You can use this eye-catching webinar presentation template to attract, engage, educate, and convert patients that come across your information. Now, this fifth template is the disease awareness infographic. Patient education is a big deal in healthcare. This can help you build trust and increase patient retention. The infographic template below is a useful tool for raising awareness about health conditions. With just a few clicks, you can change color themes and fonts and add interactive elements like links, animations, and pop-ups. Healthcare marketing doesn't have to feel overwhelming. By defining your audience, setting smart goals, creating valuable content, and leveraging the right channels, you can not only attract new patients, but also build trust and loyalty. And with a tool like Visme, you'll have everything you need to turn ideas into visuals that resonate, whether that's patient education infographics, social media graphics, or performance dashboards. So if you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more marketing insights. I'm Ivan from Visme, and I help you design better for your business. Let me know what you'd like to see next.